Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Thinkorswim options, updated. Open the Trade tab and select your underlying symbol, then choose an options chain to analyze. Start by switching to a simulated paper account and set the chart to your preferred time frame. Learn to read bid, ask, and implied volatility, and practice placing basic buy and sell orders for calls and puts before moving to complex spreads. Open the options chain and focus on strikes and expirations that match your strategy. Highlight the Greeks to see delta and theta influence on price movement and risk. Use the filters to narrow strikes by moneyness or volume to find liquid contracts. Watch open interest to ensure you can enter and exit positions efficiently and avoid wide spreads that increase transaction costs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated on long trading sessions and fits in most cup holders, making it perfect for desk work and commutes. I find the cap is easy to open during intense market moves, and it keeps drinks cold all day. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Build your order from the contract row, choosing buy or sell and single or multi-leg setups. Use the Analyze tab to preview profit and loss across price moves and expiration dates to see break-evens. Select limit orders to control fills and set duration for day or GTC. Always review margin requirements and ensure risk fits your plan before sending the order to the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.